This is Ron with Mulholland Brand here in a beautiful neighborhood in Los Angeles. We just finished installing this folding bar here. It looks beautiful, complements the home, very simple to operate. This is right now locked. We're going to open it. And as you can see, very easy to open. Give you a nice open view during the day, but whenever you want security, you can very easily close it, lock it. Your house is again secure, so nobody can get in. We have here the daughter of the homeowner, Terry. What do you think about the new security for your mom?
I was kind of apprehensive from the beginning, but I'm very pleased. My mom's very happy. Mulholland Brand, if you need any kind of security, call them. Best you can get in the country right now.
Thank you,
All right.
Terry.
Beautiful.
Thank you.